Hello my dear students, I hope all of you are safe and fine. Today in this video I will discuss the question answers of lesson 4 of class 8. So the question number 1 is question number E1. Define the term table with respect to Microsoft Access. So what is table with respect to Microsoft Access? A table is a database object which is used to store information in an organized manner. So with respect to Microsoft Access, a table is a database object which is used to store information in organized manner. Question number 2. What do you mean by data types? A data type determines the type of values that can be stored under it. Data type is a type of value that can be stored under it. The data type determines the type of value that can be stored under it. Question number 3. Explain the use of primary key in a table. A primary key is stored is a sort of check on the table that uniquely identifies each record in a table. So what is first of all, the primary key is a sort of check on the table that uniquely identify each record in a table. The value in the primary key field is different from every record and thus helps in uniquely identify the records. So the value in the primary field is different from every record and so it helps in uniquely identify the records. Access uses the primary key to relate the table's record to those in another table. So access uses the primary key to relate the table's record to the records of another table. Question number 4. State the difference between OLE and hyperlink. The differences between OLE and hyperlink are given below. Here are the difference between the OLE and hyperlink database are given here. Data type are given here. The OLE data type and hyperlink data type. The first difference is OLE data type. This data type is used to embed an object created in another application such as Microsoft Word document, Excel spreadsheet or PowerPoint presentation into the Access table. So the OLE data type is used to embed an object which is created in another application like Microsoft Word document, Excel spreadsheet or PowerPoint presentation into the Access table. OLE data type is used to insert an object which is created in another application into the Access table. But the hyperlink data type can store links to web pages, websites, files on an internet or LAN on the computer. But the hyperlink data type can store links to a web page or a website or files on an internet or LAN on the computer. The next difference is this data type can store up to 2 GB of data. The OLE data type can store up to 2 GB of data, but the hyperlink data type can store up to 1 GB of data. The next question is question number 5. What do you understand by the term field property? The field property is an attribute that defines the field's appearance or behavior within a database. The field property is an attribute that defines the field appearance or behavior within a database. Question number 6. How will you sort the data within a table? How can we sort data in a table? To sort data within a table, we should follow the given steps. These are the steps to sort data within a table. Number 1. We should select the field that we want to sort. First we have to select the field that we want to sort. Next step, click on the drop down arrow next to the right of the field. Then we have to click on the drop down arrow which is next to the right of the field. Number 3, step number 3, select either sort smallest or largest, or sort largest to select either sort smallest to largest or sort largest to smallest option from the drop down list. Then we have to select either sort smallest to largest option or sort largest to smallest option from the drop down list. Next, question number 7, name the views in which a table can be displayed. The views in which a table can be displayed are design view and datasheet view. There are two types of views in which a table can be displayed. They are design view and datasheet view. The question answers are over. I hope all of you have understood. Thank you.